Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about an interesting job opportunity which is email marketing job, and the company's name is Crewbloom. Here you will be required to write email content and develop email marketing campaigns, etc. So if you already have some kind of experience into email marketing, you can check out the role. Now let's check out the job description. So here the email marketing specialist will be responsible for developing, executing, and optimizing cold email marketing campaigns to generate leads, nurture prospects, and drive conversions. This role requires creativity, analytical thinking, and technical proficiency to create compelling email content, manage campaign workflows, and measure campaign success. And now here are some of the requirements and skills that the company is looking for. So here for this role, the company is looking for someone with bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or a related field. The person should have proven experience in outbound email marketing, campaign setup, and optimization. You should be proficient in email marketing platforms. Then you should have strong copywriting and proofreading skills with an eye for detail. You should be familiar with the email automation, segmentation, and A/B testing techniques. You should have analytical mindset with the ability to interpret data and derive actionable insights. You should you should have excellent project management and organizational skills. You should have strong communication and collaboration skills. You should have knowledge of email marketing regulations and best practices. And also, this job requires you to work within US time zone where you will be working like 9 a.m. EST to 6 p.m. EST, and that is Eastern time zone, and Monday to Friday. So this is an important thing to note. The company is looking for someone with experience in email marketing and email marketing campaign, and in addition to this, they are also looking for someone with strong copywriting and proofreading kind of skills, so that they can manage their email marketing specialist role. Now here are some of the system requirements that they have mentioned. So your system should have at least 15 Mbps for the main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup. A desktop or laptop that has an i5 processor with at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. Laptops should still be able to function when there is a power interruption, and you should have a webcam, noise cancelling USB headset. You should have quiet dedicated home office and a smartphone. Although the company has not listed the compensation that they are providing for this role, they have listed some of the other benefits that they are offering. So this is, as I already mentioned, this is a fully remote job. You can work from home or anywhere. This is up to you. And to create work-life balance, and you should have limitless career growth, etc. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that one can have while working as an email marketing specialist. So as an email marketing specialist, you need to develop, execute, you need to develop and execute outbound email marketing campaigns to generate leads and drive engagement. You need to create, proofread, and optimize email content, including subject lines, body copy, and call to actions. You need to segment email lists based on target audience criteria to ensure relevant messaging. You need to set up and manage email workflows, automation, and triggers to streamline campaign processes. You need to conduct A/B testing to optimize email performance and improve key metrics such as open, click-through, and conversion rates. So you need to monitor and analyze email campaign performance using email marketing tools and analytical platforms. You need to collaborate with the design team to create visually appealing email templates and graphics. You need to ensure compliance with email marketing best practices and regulations, including CAN spam and GDPR. You need to stay up to date with industry trends, emerging email marketing technologies, and best practices. So that's it about the role. Now, if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply for the job, and you can provide your name, email ID, then phone number, and you can upload your photograph here. Then provide your Skype ID, then country where do you belong, and then upload your resume, and then you can list your skills here, and then tools that you have. Now, how soon you can start? If you can start ASAP or you can start within 1 to 2 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks, it is up to you. You can provide here. And then do you have prior commitments that would require you to take a leave in the next 6 months that you need to provide here? And how much is your previous rate? You need to provide here hourly rate in US dollars. Ask here your hourly rate. It is up to you. You can ask here like $20 or $25. It is up to you. And here you can provide, they're asking for some of the details. Are you amenable to work during US hours? Are you willing to use a time tracking tool? Then upload the technical specifications of your main device and then backup device and then internet connection, then backup internet connection. So you can provide all the details related to your system, and that's it. So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and apply for the job. This is an interesting full-time remote job opportunity where you can work from home or anywhere and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.